And today we will be making cantaloupe milkshake. So the ingredients you need are cantaloupe. This is my cantaloupe, milk and honey. So let's start. So take your cantaloupe and cut it into some pieces and put it in. Now take some honey and put it in. Now you can stop. Now take some milk and pour it. Now take the lid and put it on. Now when the lid is on, you can put it in the blender. Stop. And now take off the lid. The lid is coming loose. You can take it out. And now put this in a glass. Now take a straw and a lid and put it in. And now your cantaloupe milkshake is ready. Time to drink. Wow, it's so good. Cantaloupe is a good summer drink. Thank you. Goodbye. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.